Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making a pink resin flower coaster, but before we jump into today's video, really quickly I wanted to show you how I mix up my white when I make my resin flower coasters. And I mix up my white the same way every single time. So what I use is the Angel White epoxy paste from Laura's Art Corner. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code. And I have about, I would say, like a little under an ounce of clear resin in this cup. So what I did was I just took my stir stick, stirred up the Angel White inside the product container with my stir stick, and then I scraped off the excess on the side of the container. And I'm only using the tiny bit that is left on my stir stick. I give it a good mix, and then I go in with a new stir stick and mix it up some more. And that's to just make sure that it is 100% mixed, and that is how I mix up my white every single time I make these coasters. And the resin I'm using today is the Platinum 360 resin from Laura's Art Corner. It's my new favorite resin for flower coasters. It works so well. I hope you guys give it a try. I'll link it down below as well along with my coupon code. It's not too expensive, and it's just really, really great for these flower coasters. So off camera, I did pour 3 ounces of clear into my silicone mold here. This is a 5-inch round coaster mold. You can get them off Amazon. It does take about 5 ounces to fill up all the way, but I'm not filling this mold up all the way. Just added 3 ounces of clear. I dropped down some silver crushed glass bits for the center of my coaster, and now I'm going to go in with some peach red alcohol ink from Let's Resin, and I just added about 15 drops of the alcohol inks, just making sure that there is a nice amount of color on top of that clear resin. And now we're going to go in and draw our flower petals. This is the white that we mixed up, and to draw my flower petals, I'm going to be using a silicone Q-tip. You can get these off Amazon. They come in a 4-pack. They work really great to draw your flower petals. So what I do is I just take my little Q-tip, dip it in the white, and for this one I was thinking of an upside down heart. So I'm going to do about 5 of those upside down heart shapes. Just like that. And if you don't have enough white on one side of your heart, just dip back in the white and then go back over it just like this with a little bit more white. This is so super simple and easy to do. I hope you guys give it a try, and just wait until we demold it. This coaster turned out so pretty. So after I drew those 5 large upside down hearts, I'm going to go in and just draw another little set of upside down hearts in each of the large ones that we made, just like this, just a little bit smaller than that first upside down heart that we made. And I'm going to do that on all 5 of the little hearts, and then I'm going to go in and just do kind of like an oval shape right inside of that smaller upside down heart. And that's going to be it. I'm going to cover it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold it. So here we are 24 hours later. I was so excited to demold this because it just looked so pretty from this side, and here it is. I just love this one. The color is so pretty, and the Platinum 360 resin just really gives you some really gorgeous depth and dimension in your flower petals. I hope you guys give this a try. It's so super simple and easy to do. The Platinum 360 resin has a 20-minute working time, so just keep that in mind if you guys do try this resin. Once you mix it up, you have to kind of get going and start pouring. I didn't let my resin sit at all before I made this flower coaster. I just mixed it up and started pouring right away. But let me know what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. Helps out my channel a lot if you watch a few of my videos back to back. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.